Norfolk Southern Railroad swing bridge. It's built in 1890, and it was the one through truss. And Wilbur Truss, and it was removed in 1990, and it's carried also used by the Southern Railroad, and so crosses the Ocmulgee River, located in Hawkinsville, Georgia. You see, look at the approach truss being right, and at more than left. So in the end, it swung for boats and ships at one time, and it swings back for train traffic, but now it's gone. It's removed, and so look at that, and all right. And so it's located in Hawkinsville, Georgia.